This is my cargo container house that I'm currently getting the blueprints finalized for. It is 40 by 40 for the first floor. The second floor is 16 by 40. This area here where I'm moving the cursor will be the living room and kitchen. The kitchen counter will wrap around right here and be open to the rest of the house. This room where the cursor is here will be the laundry room and utilities and storage. At the back, this will be walled off, and this will be the stairway up to the master bedroom, bathroom, and the deck. The roof will have a membrane to make it waterproof and a wooden deck built over it. On this side, where I'm moving the cursor will be children's bedroom number 1. This area will be the first bathroom, the second bathroom with a wall between the two, and then another bedroom in this area here. This area and this area will be the closets for the 2 bedrooms. This area here will be a classroom for my children to learn. And then the master bedroom will be in this area right here. Master bathroom, walkway between the staircase, and in this area there will be a door going out onto the deck. Eventually, when this is completed, there will be a pole barn structure over the top with solar panels on it, so I can be 100% off-grid. Let me know if you guys like the video and if you want to see more when this blueprint is finalized. It's now being converted to AutoCAD and worked on by the engineer for the structural components. Also, the container is set on concrete columns to hold it roughly 36 inches above ground level. So, that's the house. Let me know what you think.